Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Portmore and we are going to give you a tour of the Hungway Mall in Portmore. Now, this section of Portmore has a lot of developments going on. To the left of us, 3 buildings for the IBX call center. Then you have this new mall that just opened, very nicely done, I must say. When we're driving up on the left, that's the IBX, one of the 3 call center buildings. Across the road, Sovereign Village. The other side of the road, you have Price Smart, Fontana Pharmacy, Quartz, Starbucks. So a lot of activity, a lot of development is going on in Portmore. So this is a new mall. The design, I should say, is one that you would find in China. It's like a Chinese design. Alright, so this mall is 4 floors, over 100 shops, massive structure. As you go around the front, you will see how big it is. And it's built in one of the more populated parts of Portmore. So I'm not sure, it doesn't have a brand name supermarket in it. And I'm not sure about the food stores. As I said, it just opened. So we will keep an eye on this mall to see how well it does. But you need 3 things for a successful mall in Jamaica. Build it in a populated area that is covered. Portmore is populated. But you need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket like, just as an example, a Shoppers Fair, a Hilo, or a Shushan. Something that will draw in the crowd. And then you need food stores. And I don't see any fast food stores in here. As I said, we'll keep an eye on it and we'll give you an actual walk-in tour so that we can examine it more closely. But this is the new Hungway Plaza. Very nicely done, must say. And you notice the buildings in Jamaica, they're not just putting up 4 walls. They have such nice architecture to them. Such a nice finish. Modern looking. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Have a good day.